Start by navigating to the Tour Reservation module and click on Tour button for tour creation. Now enter tour name, tour type, tour days, leader, coast, tour date, date of published tour category, transport type, class, distance, duration, tour plans, tour cost per person, tour sale price per person, etc. Click on Tarial Info and uncheck Detail. Click on Tour Detail button and see selected tour-related information like tour season, statute, end date, payment due date, available seats, etc. Click on Tour Itinerary button and see tour program details. Go to our Services button and see services information. Click on Accommodation button and see stay information, date in out, other details, etc. Go to Flight Option button and see tour flight information details. Click on Extra Services button, and get information about tour agent, services name, guide, driver, coast, consultant, cost, etc. Then click top left side Open to open the tour reservation. Finally, click Open at the top left corner to activate your tour reservation. Now your tour is ready to be booked, managed, and enjoyed by travelers. Go to Tour Reservation and select the tour inquiry. Verify customer details, lead by, address, contact name, email, mobile, number of adults and children, inquiry date, and reference. Check the tour information, preferred start and end dates, and also related all details. Go to Tour Reservation and select Tour Booking Details. Click on the New button to create a fresh booking entry. This will open a new form where you can add all the necessary details for your customer's tour reservation. Begin by entering the inquiry number that corresponds to the customer's inquiry. Next, move on to the tour date details. Specify the start date and end date of the tour, along with any additional schedule information such as check-in times, departure schedules, or activity timelines. After that, carefully review and fill in all other important details, including traveler information, itinerary plans, accommodation arrangements, transportation details, and pricing information. Take a moment to verify all entries before proceeding. Double-check that the selected tour package, number of participants, costs, and travel logistics align perfectly with the inquiry and customer preferences. After that, fill in the tour date details, including the start date, end date, and any other relevant schedule information. Take a moment to verify all entered data such as customer information, number of travelers, pricing, and itinerary details. Ensuring accuracy here helps avoid errors later and keeps your booking records perfectly aligned. Then save the tour booking details and click on Confirm to confirm the booking. Once all the booking information has been entered and confirmed, it's time for the final verification. Carefully check every detail, including customer information, travel dates, itinerary, services, pricing, and accommodation details. Make sure all data is accurate and complete, as this step ensures the tour booking is fully ready for execution. After reviewing, simply click on the Approve button to finalize the booking. This action officially marks the booking as approved, signaling that all necessary checks have been completed and the reservation is ready to proceed. The booking is now successfully approved and confirmed in the system, ready for your operations or customer communication. Click Create Invoice to generate the invoice based on the booking details. Review all information carefully to ensure accuracy. Then click the Confirm button option to finalize and validate the invoice. After the booking and approval process, the system generates an invoice for the tour. It's important to carefully review every detail on the invoice before finalizing. Check the customer information, tour dates, number of travelers, services included, pricing, taxes, discounts, and any additional charges to ensure everything is accurate. This step helps prevent errors, ensures transparency, and maintains trust with your customers. Once you have thoroughly verified all the invoice details and confirmed that everything is correct, click on the Done button. By doing this, you officially mark the invoice and booking process as complete. Go to Tour Reservation option and select Agent Tour Reservation option button. Click on New to add a reservation. Next, enter the agent file number to link the booking to the correct agent record. Select the agent responsible for the booking and, if applicable, the sub-agent assisting in the process. Fill in the booking date to record when the reservation was made. Add the booking name, usually the primary traveler or group representative, and complete the customer details with full contact information. Carefully entering all this information ensures accurate tracking, smooth follow-ups, and proper management of the booking. Then verify and check all details and save the details with click on Save Option button. After reviewing all the agent booking details, click Approve to authorize the reservation. Then select Confirm to finalize the agent booking. Finally, click Done to complete and close the reservation process. Go to Tour Reservation and select Custom Booking Information, then select the reservation number to see the custom reservations. Next, click on New to create a fresh custom booking entry. This opens a new form where you can input all the necessary details specific to the customer or agent request. Carefully enter the booking information, including traveler details, itinerary, dates, and any special requirements. This step allows you to capture all relevant data accurately, ensuring the custom booking is complete and ready for further processing. By creating a new entry, you maintain organized records and streamline the booking workflow. Then save and enter custom adult and children number. Then click on Confirm to confirm the custom booking reservation. Click on the Tour Dashboard button to get a complete overview of all tours and bookings. Here, you can view upcoming tours, track booking statuses, and monitor customer or agent activity. The dashboard makes it easy to see confirmed, pending, or canceled reservations at a glance. Use it to manage your tours efficiently and stay organized with all essential information in one place.